ادع إلى سبيل ربك بالحكمة والموعظة الحسنة وجادلهم بالتي هي أحسن.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen wa salatu wa salamu ala Rasulihil Ameen. As I discussed earlier, that I have designed 3 theories for Arabic language: planting the seeds of Arabic language, creating a pattern of Arabic language, and build an emotional connection. So today, inshallah, I'll explain to you the second theory, that is creating a pattern of Arabic language. For this, I have a quote: creating a pattern takes centuries and repeating it takes seconds. If you realize about the aviation industry, starting from 8th century to 20th century, the journey of aviation reached to the level where we have, alhamdulillah, successfully flight journeys. But do you think that it happens in overnight? No. But now the same procedure would have in few days. So creating a pattern takes centuries and repeating it takes seconds. So create your pattern of Arabic language. And believe me, once the pattern is created, your flow of language would be best. So how do you create the pattern for Arabic language? By listening to the Arabic language, by reading the text of Arabic language, and involve yourself into Arabic language with the vocabulary, with the grammar, with each and every pattern. So it would help you to create a strong pattern of Arabic language. Then Arabic language would be easy for you. Many people would make mistake while learning the language. They need to understand Arabic language in a beautiful way at the same time. But it doesn't happen. Why? Because the approach was wrong. They did not want to create a pattern. They just want to have the process of Arabic language. For that reason, I want you to suggest the best way to create the pattern of Arabic language with the help of grammar. If you learn the creating pattern of Arabic language with the help of grammar, it doesn't change. Because I do believe learning the Arabic language with the vocabulary, it's never-ending process. But if you learn through the grammar, it would create a strong pattern of Arabic language. The noun in the 1st century will be the noun in 21st century. The pronoun in 1st century, the pronoun will be in 21st century. The adjectives and verbs will be in the 1st century, will be the same in adjectives and verbs in this century. Whereas the vocabulary, it changes from time to time, from situation to situation, from place to place. So better create the pattern of Arabic language with the help of grammar. This will really make you the best version. It doesn't mean that vocabulary is not needed. Vocabulary is also important, but let's have the pattern of Arabic language starts with grammar so that you will have the best pattern to create, and it will take time and repetition will be easy for you, and you will learn Arabic language in no time. It's the process of subconscious mind, because once grammar create a pattern of Arabic language in your brain, then you would understand everything. So, Jazakallahu khairan, barakallahu feekum, ahsanallahu ilaykum, shukran.